now that I'm still, oh my gosh, if I make any sudden movement, this is not the move. I need to order that mount. I was procrastinating, trying to be cheap, and was like, no, I can use the one that I have, knowing that it's shoddy, and now I'm mad. Is anyone else like that? Like, girl, just spend the $18. Just spend the $18. But me, I'm like the dad on Everybody Hates Chris. I'm always trying to save some coin, okay? Excuse me, fam. Just gonna scooch on over here. Don't mind. Chat with you about your car's extended warranty. I am not waiting at this light. We love you, Snoop Dogg. Yeah, I love you too. Yes, it's a mobile pickup for Danielle. Thank you.
My pleasure.
It's very difficult finding a song to fit my vibe. Nah. That'll do it. Hi. Yes. Thank you so much. You as well. That's what I'm talking about. The Superior restaurants that I trusted during the pandemic, because I wasn't like trusting the regular restaurants, so I was like, they're definitely not gonna be clean. But the ones that I trusted, Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, and for grocery stores, Publix and Whole Foods. If it wasn't them, I wasn't going. I'm not even exaggerating. I really, like, if it wasn't those 4 places that I just named, you ain't catching me there. It wasn't happening. Oh, you do it. Oh, you do it. This turn right here is so dicey. I'm going to go ahead and put this thing in sport, because these people like to really like not let you out. I'm not dealing with it today. There we go. Back to eco mode. Save gas. This camera is so shaky. I feel like it is making it look like I'm driving like 90 miles an hour. You guys, I'm doing a cool 37 right now. Okay? A cool 37. Yeesh. Oof. She looks crazy. Okay. Trying to pretend like my hair isn't filthy. With like built up gel in the front. But we chatted. By we, I mean me and myself. What is that sound? Anyways, me and myself, we chatted. I chatted with myself earlier, and I decided I want to pretend like my hair still isn't dirty and stave off wash day for one more day. But just wanted to say I'm in my bathroom, my old bathroom. I'm at my mommy's house, and it's making me nostalgic because this is where I started my old YouTube channel. My original YouTube. It's not like it's not original anymore. What am I saying? This is where, okay, I filmed like my first YouTube video. Actually, it was in my room, which is right here, but you know what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. What is that? Who gets distracted by paper as an adult? Me. Anyways, this is what I'm dealing with. So, yeah, just wanted to tell you guys that. And also try and convince myself that the hair doesn't look nearly as bad as it does. Oh, yoy. This hair is giving very much stiff, very much trash. All right. get on my own nerves. My head looks. My mommy sometimes reminds me I have a big head like my dad. Also, I look crazy. But anyway, I've just been sitting here in the car for like 30 minutes, maybe 45. And I wonder, does anyone else do that where, like, nobody even has to be like inside the house, but you get home and you just sit and vibe like by yourself? Yeah, so that's what I've been up to. Just sitting here vibing and drinking my Starbucks. I've been sick for like the past 36 hours. Can't keep anything down. It's horrible. I've actually had this happen twice before where I just have to go to the hospital and get IVs because I'm so dehydrated. But I think, fingers crossed, I like got past it this time without getting too dehydrated. So yeah, that's what's going on with that. But anyways, yeah, I was just wondering, does anyone else do that? And also, it kind of makes me paranoid because let me know if y'all recall this story. It was a guy who was sitting in his driveway. I can't remember if it was during the day. I think it was at night. And like somebody came up and shot him. So now I'm like, why am I still sitting in this driveway? I don't know, man. Gotta keep the Moscow food on deck these days because everybody just, they wildin'. Also needs to do my nails. So yeah, so I'm gonna do today, do my nails, make me feel better. I'm gonna do my hair. Well, I look crazy. I think I'm just going to crimp it. 90s style. I was super excited to see crimping like come back, but I feel like not the harsh crimps of the 90s. Okay, it needs to be a little more relaxed, a bit more subtle. So I'm gonna try that, see how that works. Oh, by the way, you guys, I did wash my hair. I straightened my hair, but I lightly straightened it. So I think I straightened it only on like 350 because I didn't want it bone straight. Also, I have fine hair, and unless I'm planning on doing like a super sleek silk press, me needing to straighten on high temperatures is just not necessary. Hey, little bud, what are you doing? Hey, little bud. You know what's so funny, guys? Having a kid makes you appreciate the little things. Like, I've always been like an outdoorsy kind of girl, but because my baby gets so excited when she sees like birds and stuff like that, now I get excited when I see like normal things like birds, to where I'm like stopping. I'm like, oh, it's a blue jay. And, yeah. Kids just make life worth living. You guys get it. All right, so I don't feel great. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I wasn't joking when I said brushing my teeth always makes me feel better. Waste some water. So much better. I am going to get a Fiber One bar, okay? And I know it's gonna help me feel better. All right. Why don't I see any Fiber One bars in here? Hold on, cause why don't I see? Oh, they're right here. I was looking in the wrong spot, guys. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna sit outside. I'm gonna sit outside. It's alright for you, baby. When I first spray this stuff, it's the Cheese Shine Infusion. It makes my hair so way down, but it like absorbs all. Like, where is all this lint? What am I on that has lint? I'm not understanding. Tell me if anyone else get these vibes. I don't know, because I'm seeing most of this. Can I do this one? Yeah. Because I'm seeing most of this on TikTok. Does anyone else think that like this whole UGC, like, oh my gosh, you should do UGC or whatever, does that give you, I need to leave it on a little bit longer, does that give you the vibes of like an MLM? You know, am I the only one feeling this way? And like, hear me out, not in the way that like, you know, the more people underneath you, the more money you make, but like, maybe I shouldn't say MLM, it's like a scammy vibe. I don't know. I don't know. What I mean by that is it just, I don't know, it gives like get rich quick scheme vibes. And I don't like that. Because I feel like everyone who's talking about like the MLM stuff, they, like it's always like they're trying to sell you like their course. Not always, but the ones I see. I don't know. Am I the only one who feels like that? And also I feel like by the time it's like put out on the internet, I feel like if multiple people are talking about it, like it's already too late. I don't know. What do you guys think? Just give scam vibes to me. And I would love for it not to be scammy, but I don't know. If you're wondering why my sections look so jacked, it is on purpose because I don't want perfect crimps. I kind of want a beach wavy vibe. You get it. You know what I'm saying. All right. I like it. Caso. All right. Do I have hairspray anywhere? I don't think so. So this is an experiment to see how long this will last. Normally I never need to use hairspray when I do curls because I just wrap my hair up in like a bun, but for this, I don't know. Is it cool yet? Can I? Yeah. Maybe if I can maintain it with a braid. I don't know how to maintain this, but I like it. 8-year-old me is very pleased with these results. I like it. Now to figure out how am I gonna keep this? Tried to clip my hair up since we're going outside, but I don't know. I'm coming, Bobby. These are literally the best turkey burgers ever. You like your chicken tendies? Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to some of that. Alright, so I'm about to go walk on a treadmill. Ugh. My hair still has these white flakes because I haven't done anything to get rid of them. But oh man. Alright, let's look a little bit more presentable. Like just a touch more presentable. Not exponentially. Not exponentially. Could leave it like that in a cute pineapple, but no. I feel taller. I'm taller. I'm elegant. More elegante. More elegante. I'm always elegant and thrifty. Alright, I'm about to go work out. I'm about to go get my steps in on the treadmill. Alright, y'all, so I went and changed real quick because, like I said, I know I'm gonna get hot because I'm about to walk, but I'm gonna straighten up what's going on over there first. So straighten that up, then I'm gonna get some steps in. So yeah.
Cool. Big beans. How was school today? You don't know how school? Yeah. Okay. Mommy's probably gonna have to reach out to her mommy so you guys can hang out one of these weekends soon. Cause you want to remember your friend, right? You should just start a group message with forever. Okay, and who are some of the other kids? Aiden? And what's mommy?
Cheers.
You want to cheers?
Yeah.
All right, let's cheers. All right, so I meant to show you guys my hair before I wrapped it. I actually just did a silk press on it, and it's silken. It's silken, it's silky, it's glass. It's a real glass like, and I just wanted to tell y'all that because I think that this is gonna go up before my silk press video, so y'all need to be on the lookout for that, okay? Because that's gonna either go up on Monday or maybe Tuesday of this week. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. Depends on how long it takes me to edit, because it was a lot of footage, and I try and condense it down so it's not too long. I need to change that light bulb. That is not cute. The light bulb right there, I need to edit some bulb in there, don't I? It's not cute. Oh my god, you want to see something funny? So you know how, what was I saying? So you know how like everybody has a Stanley cup, but like back in the day everyone used to have a Yeti cup. Like that was the thing to have. And I'm not gonna buy a Stanley cup because I have no need for one. My Yeti is just fine. I named it Yell Nats. Do you guys get this reference? Please tell me if you get this reference and you know, oh, and you know where this is from, why I'm calling it Yell Nats. Please comment down below. Thank you so much. So Yell Nats, and I need to change that bulb. And oh, I want to show y'all my hair so bad, but you know how hard it is to get it wrapped. And normally I just put my hair up in like a bun to sleep in when it's straight, because I like it to have like a loose beach wave, but I just want it to be like bone straight for one day, and then I'm gonna be over it. Madam, open the door. Bubby, what are you doing? Come here, you silly goose. You're happy? Mommy's happy too, my love. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Snack.
Reagan, you just had a snack. Do you want these crackers? Here you go.
Another one.
Another one! So yeah. That's what's up with that. So I guess I'll see y'all when I see y'all with straight hair. It'll be straight in the next vlog, but my silk press video will be up by then. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this, how it's gonna come together, but I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'm excited to try all the new things that I mentioned in like the first my welcome back video. I'm gonna start doing that this week, this upcoming vlog. So I'll see you guys then. Bye guys. Is that how I leave the vlog? I don't know. Bye.